Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about NZD card. We talked about it last time, but I'm going to be breaking it down using support and resistance. Last time it was only demand and supply, so this time we shall use demand and supply combined with support and resistance. People who trade support and resistance, come closer. So if you don't know how to determine the forex trend, this is going to be a video. If you don't know how to enter the forex market, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. So stick around until the end of the video. It's only going to be less than 10 minutes. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to like the video at the end for the algorithm. We are also around, we are almost reaching 2k subscribers, and that is where I'm giving a mega discount, 50% discount for mentorship. So make sure you subscribe and be part of the people who are going to benefit from that mentorship. So let's go for it. So this is NZD card, and this is the daily time frame. We've said the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your highest time frame, and my highest time frame that I use every day is the daily time frame. Now, after you want to identify your support and resistance areas, because I told you you're going to be using support and resistance, I'm just going to go here and mark my support. Yeah, you want to learn how to mark them. It's very simple. You can watch my videos, you learn how to mark them, or you can get the book. But even if you watch my videos, you should learn how to mark them. There's a video I did about support and resistance, so that one you don't need to buy the book. Okay, so after, you want to wait for price to come to this zone. After price has reached the zone, then you're going to look out for confirmations on the medium time frame and then execute your trade. So I've marked our support. We expect that since price bought from this area massively, when price comes back to the zone, we shall be waiting, or we shall be expecting for it to buy again massively. So what do? We wait patiently for price to come back to the zone. Good. So I'm just going to play price forward. Where is this thing? Here, just going to play price forward, and then we wait for it to drop down. So price drops down to the zone. However, it does not sit on the zone very well. Now there's a two way of doing this. In most cases, if the zone is so strong, price is not going to sit there very well. But if it is not so strong, price will first rotate around the zone, create some indecision candles before it can bounce. But now in this case, the zone appears to be that strong. However, how do we know that it is strong? The confirmation is always going to be on the medium time frame. When we see a break of structure and a change of character, then we know the zone is already working out. If we don't see that, we just know price is likely going to come back to the zone. I hope you're together. When you go to the medium time frame and you see a change of character, then you see a break of structure, you know the zone is now strong. However, if you come to the medium time frame and you don't see that, just know price is likely to come back to the zone, and be patient. Be patient for price to come back to the zone. Okay. So now this is the daily time frame. Price has bounced off. So what we want to do is go to the medium time frame. We have marked out our zones. We have waited for price to come to the area. We have gotten the confirmation. Price has bounced off. So we go down to the medium time frame. Now when you come to the medium time frame, there's nothing significant you can see. Nothing significant. Maybe we can say that we can adjust this one, the support zone, refine it up to around this zone here, which is going to accommodate this week here. But other than that, there's nothing that you can see. So what we want to see a change of character happen on the 4 hour, then a break of structure happen on the 4 hour, and then we can look out for the demand zones that led to those things happening. If we don't see that, we shouldn't be entering the market. Good. So I'm just going to play price forward. Price come, I think we react from this zone, rally base rally, but this is not something I would want to react to be interested in. Then price after goes up and makes another higher high, leaving us with a demand zone. But remember, I told you this demand zone is not the one we buy from. Why? Because this is from the change of character. This is the demand zone you want. The demand zone you want to buy from is one that happens after the break of structure. So we shall expect price to retrace back to the zone, but you see we almost reacted from the zone. However, after we don't react, remember, even if it reacted from the zone, I wouldn't be interested, because this is not what we buy from. We only buy from the demand zone that has a change of character, not the demand zone that has a breakout structure, not the demand zone that has a change of character. If you're going to buy, we want to buy from a breakout structure, not a change of character. Remember, we are from the daily support, so the 4 hour is giving us break of structures. That is now when we are interested. If not that, we are not interested in that market case. You have to be so careful. You have to be so careful about these things. If you're not so careful about them, you're always going to mistake them. Okay, let's go forward. So price makes a very good move to the upside, which is a very good sign, and then breaks structure. You see, we break structure from here. So after that, you're going to be interested in a demand zone that led to that break. That is the demand zone that you're going to be interested in. I think this one is too big. We can just refine it to the closing price of that candle, that red candle there. So now, after I have seen your break of structure here, you just want price to come and retest this zone and take you to your TP. Guys. I don't know. And you can see, guys, how it is very simple. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe to the channel, we reach 2,000 subscribers. It's going to allow people who would want a discount on the mentorship to get their opportunity, to get their way, because I'm going to discount to the first 20 people. I'm going to give a 50% discount on the mentorship, on the first 20 people to come for mentorship. After we have hit 2,000 subscribers, we are at around 1,880, 1,980 something. Yeah, only 12 people are remaining, so make sure you be part of that, guys. And forgot it. Make sure you subscribe and be part of that, guys. So also don't forget to like the video in case you learn something out of it, because I'm always giving premium content, guys, premium maximum content. So don't forget to like the video. So price comes back to the zone, gives you a sniper entry. Actually, it rotated around the zone for a very long time, then boom, price went up. So now your entry would have been here. I don't know why this thing keeps on disturbing me. Stop loss should be around 20 pips, and then the take profit should be 113 pips, but it should go beyond that because we are targeting the daily. It was around 200 pips. We were targeting the daily supply zone. This is 220. As far as I'm concerned, price continue going up. But price will continue going up because it is in a steady uptrend. So there is no need for price to drop. But I think you can get the concept. Price will continue going up because it is in a steady uptrend. So right, guys, so I think that is it. The take profit is going to be the daily. This is around 237 pips. It's going to be the daily supply zone. That is a 1:10, 237 pips, guys. 237 pips is going to be your take profit. Now, I know this looks simple because you see I'm doing it here automatically, but I want you to understand that there's a lot of technicalities that go behind in order for you to understand and identify these zones the way I do understand and identify them. So you always have to make sure that you follow the things. That's why I told you You can either go for mentorship. If you're a total beginner, go for mentorship. Any mentorship from any mentor, as long as you trust them. Then you can come and watch my videos and get the strategy for free. You don't need to pay me, for free. And you're going to succeed. If you cannot do that, then you can as well come and pay for my mentorship. It's only $100 for now. When we hit 2K, it's going to be only $50 because the discount is going to be 50%. And then we can go ahead and do what? And make money out of that. Okay guys, so I think that is all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also guys, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like the video, because if you like the video, the algorithm is going to push it to more people who might need it and are unable to afford the mentorship. So just like the video such that it can be pushed to more and more people. And also, okay, let me put for you the WhatsApp number for mentorship. That is the WhatsApp number if you want mentorship, or the book. The book is only $10. If you want mentorship, it's only $100, or if you can wait for the discount, it will be $50. So that is the WhatsApp number that you reach me on. Guys, only serious people, don't come to tell me hi. I know you like my videos, I know you enjoy them because they are good, they are valuable. So you don't have to tell me that because I already know it. So make sure when you're ready, you can come when you decided, and then we shall do some work. So I think that is all guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also don't forget to like the video. Bye. That has been so simple.